Hello, my little learners. Welcome to Bits Robo Ustaad's Alphabet Adventure. Hello, my little learners. Welcome to Bits Robo Ustaad. Hello, my little learners. Welcome to Bits Robo Ustaad's Alphabet Adventure. Today, we will learn A to Z with fun words and colorful pictures. Are you ready? Let's clap together and say, A B C. A is for apple. Apple is red, juicy, and sweet. Say it with me. A. Apple. B is for ball. Ball is round. We can play with it. Say it together. B. Ball. C is for cat. Cat says meow, meow. Say it with me. C. Cat. D is for dog. Dog loves to run and bark. Say it together. D. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant is big and strong. Say it with me. E. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish swims in the water. Say it together. F. Fish. G is for gorilla. Gorilla is big and strong in the jungle. Say it with me. G. Gorilla. H is for hat. Hat goes on your head. Say it together. H. Hat. I is for insect. Insects are tiny and they crawl or fly. Say it together. I. Insect. J is for juice. Juice is sweet and tasty. Say it together. J. Juice. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo hops with a baby in its pouch. Say it with me. K. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Say it together. L. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey loves bananas and swings on trees. Say it together. M. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose helps us smell flowers and food. Say it with me. N. Nose. O is for octopus. Octopus has 8 arms and lives in the sea. Say it together. Oh, octopus. P is for pig. Pig loves to roll in the mud. Say it with me. P. Pig. Q is for queen. Queen wears a crown. Say it with me. Q. Queen. R is for ring. Ring is round and shiny on your finger. Say it together. R. Ring. S is for sun. Sun is bright and hot. Say it with me. S. Sun. T is for train. Train goes choo-choo and carries people. Say it with me. T. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella keeps us dry in rain. Say it with me. U. Umbrella. V is for Van Van takes us to school. Say it together. V. Van. W is for Watch Watch, tells us the time. Say it with me. W. Watch. X is for Xylophone. Xylophone makes music. Say it together. X. Xylophone. I is for Yellow. Yellow is bright and happy. Say it with me. Y. Yellow. Z is for Zoo. Zoo is a place where animals live for us to see. Say it together. Z. Zoo. Great job, learners. Bits, Robo Ustaad is proud of you. Thank you, my little learners, for joining today's alphabet adventure. You did a wonderful job learning your ABCs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Robo Ustaad for more fun learning